Adopting the double opening mode of pair suction, which can greatly improve the success rate of opening for medium and large-sized cartons, soft cartons, and slightly deformed cartons, and make the packaging more stable. Adopting automatic feeding, opening, inserting, sealing, rejecting and other packaging forms, with compact and reasonable structure, simple operation and adjustment. Adopting servo or stepping motor and touchscreen, PLC programmable control system, human-machine interface display operation is more clear and simple. High degree of automation, more humane. Adopting photoelectric eye automatic detection and tracking system, the empty packets do not go out of the box, maximally saving the packaging materials. Large packaging range, easy to adjust, various specifications and sizes can be quickly converted. Replacement of specifications without changing the mold, only need to adjust can be achieved. Adopting automatic stopping and overload protection device of main drive motor when the goods are not in place in the box, which is safer and more reliable. According to customer's requirement, it can adopt upturn safety cover, easy to operate and beautiful in appearance. It can be linked with aluminum plastic packaging machine, pillow packaging machine, 3-dimensional packaging machine, bottle line, filling machine, labeling machine, coating machine, online weigher, other production lines and other equipment to achieve linked production. All kinds of automatic discharger and box feeding system can be designed according to the requirements of packages. It can be equipped with convenient box changing device, which makes it more convenient to change specifications and sizes.